Hello everybody and welcome back to part 2 of creating a social media app using React. So I'm just going to share my screen right over here. So basically in this video what we're going to be doing is creating the post component. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So let's just get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is right over here, we're going to create a div called app with the class name of app posts. And inside of that, we're just going to have this. So right here, what we're going to do is have a div with the class name of app posts, like that. And inside this div, we'll just have this. So for right now, the key, just set it to a random number. The post ID, random number again. User, here we're just going to set this to username, Markshat, caption, test post, and image URL. So this is basically where you get the image. So you can just pick any random image that you want. I'm just going to enter in the URL of an image. So I just have this image right over here. So I'm just going to paste the URL in, and it is from Unsplash. So here we have just gone ahead and done that. But now obviously we don't have the post component, so we need to create that. So inside here, inside the components folder, and okay, we don't actually have the folder yet. So what I'm going to do is just create a folder called components. Components, like that. And we're going to create a folder for the post component, like that. New file, post.js and post.css. Not C# file, CSS. Okay, there we go. Just need to change the extension. Now we're done. So now we need to create the actual post component. So for doing that, what we will do is obviously use underscore RAFCE. So if you don't know what that is, just come in here, click on the extensions tab right over here. And here, basically just search for React, and right here. So this is the second extension that pops up. So it's just ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Snippets. So install that, it's really useful. Here's 3 million downloads. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, so now we're just going to get back inside here. And what we're going to do is we're obviously going to build the actual post component. So right here, the first thing that we're going to do is give this a class name of post. And the second thing we're going to do is create a div inside of this post component with the class name of post header, like so. Okay, create that. And inside of this, what we're going to do is have an avatar. So this is basically coming from Material UI. So we obviously need to import that, which we are going to do in a second here. So import avatar from Material UI/core and put this like that, and that should have imported it. Actually, what I'm going to do is instead of this, I'm going to do that and /avatar, like that. Boy, okay, there we go. So it was just throwing an error for no reason. I don't know why, but we're back here. And so obviously for the avatar, we need to do something, right? So basically what we're going to do inside of the avatar is basically just give it a class name, sorry. class name of, let's do post underscore underscore. Also, this is a double underscore, so sorry for that. Underscore avatar or user image, or like whatever you want basically. And we will create an alt, which for now we're going to set that to user name, but obviously we still don't have like the login system and stuff. We don't have that implemented yet, but when we do indeed have that, we're going to set that to the username of the current user that's logged in. And then basically what we're going to do with that is the first letter of their name, we're going to put that on the profile picture if they don't actually have one. So that's basically what we're going to do. And the next one is going to be the actual source, which we're going to set to /static/ images /avatar /1.png, like that. Save it. And obviously now we need to come in here and do control space right next to post and actually go ahead and import it. So now it imports up here, and that's exactly what we want. And now if we come back here, then it refreshes, and there we go. We have indeed got that avatar set up at this point. So that's pretty much what we want. Also, for CSS, first let's actually import it here. So import /post.css, and I am going to paste in the CSS. So if you want the CSS, you can just go to the link in the description down below and you can get that from there. So oops, oh no, yeah, paste it in, and here we go. We have got the CSS that we need. Now I'm going to save that and come back here, and now as you can see, it looks like that. Not really what we want, because we actually haven't implemented the rest of the stuff that we need to. So we're going to do that now. So now after that, what we're going to do is create a p tag with the username of the currently logged in user. So in this case, we don't really have a login system again. So we're just going to do a hard-coded value. So just to make things a little bit quicker so that it doesn't take forever to do, I'm just going to paste this stuff in. So it is pretty simple. Also, yes, we do need the props here, so we're gonna do that. And okay, we're gonna come back here and okay, key. So if you did not know, we can just put it on this side, and we can also work on this file. So if you didn't know that, well, now you know. Okay, paste that in. Second one, post ID. Take it and boom, user, boom, and username, caption, image URL, and there we go. Now put that back there, and there we go. Save it. And also this, we are not going to have that yet, so yeah, there we go. Comment.username. Also here, I forgot about this. We have the username now, so we can just do username, and the alt is also going to be username. Okay, there we go. And okay, what is the error? Maybe that's just lag. That should be fine. There shouldn't be any errors with that. I'm just gonna save it. And comment is not defined. Okay. So right here, I'm just going to set that to hard-coded values. So, oops, I did not mean to do that. So Akshit and hello. This is epic. Okay, there we go. and save it. And if we come back here, then we should be seeing, yeah, okay, I refreshed it right when it loaded. Okay, there we go. We are now indeed seeing this image. Okay, so that's really nice. Now we have that in place. Now I don't think that I've done all of the CSS for this. Actually no, I think I have. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, actually with that being said, that's pretty much it for the post component. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.